Hi, good morning, all of you. Hi, Rupeya. Good morning. How are you all? Hi, all of you. Good morning. I am fine, dear. How are you all? How was the test? You were all worried about the test so much. Many wrote it was very easy. Yeah? You all felt it is easy? Fine, you written? Good. It was easy, right? Madhya is written. It's easy. Fine. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, all are here. Hey, Mashri. Fine, ma'am. There was one issue, ma'am. What is the issue, ma'am? Good morning. Send me the message. What is that issue? Let me check. No issue, ma'am. Okay, fine. Okay, done then. You would have written then. Well, I think so. Yes. Done. So in coming test, you will be ready with the digestion chapter. Okay. Coming test next week. Yeah? Test syllabus is announced, I think, already. Na? Next test you have PT B, na? PT na? Not announced. No? I think so. But I will announce it. Rukaya 50, I scored 50, very less. Out of 70, na? Okay. Out of 70, 50. No, it's what happens is you don't much bother. Keep on learning how to write the examination. 60. Sujal has written 60. Good. Tanuj 60. Anybody 65 plus? 65 plus, anybody got? What 35? You said 60, now you're saying 35? Out of 60, 35. Ah, okay. Out of 60, 35. Okay, then. 50 is good, no, Madhya? Then out of 60, you got 50 is good. Gnapita, you got 50 marks. So that's good mark. Abhigna got 51. Akshara got 52. Good. Tanuj, very good mark. Out of 60, 51. Many got 51. 52 is highest, I think. Na? 52, Monisha got 50. Who is that? 52. Akshara got 52. Abhigna got 51. That's a good score. Pooja Vaibhav got 53. That's good, ma. 53 is a good score. Priyanka got 53. That's good. 40 Tejaswini. It's okay. Next test and all, it will be improving, I think. And remember one thing, this is a CET pattern. In NEET pattern, you will have negative marking. You know that in CET pattern, there is no negative marking. In NEET pattern, for one wrong answer, you will lose quarter marks. Means 4 wrong answers means you will be losing 1 mark extra. If you are written 10 right, 4 wrong, then you will lose 1 mark out of that. -1 for 4 wrong answers. Quarter marks for every wrong answer. Quarter marks. 4 wrong answer burde 1 mark hoಗುತ್ತೆ. Each right answer carries 4 marks. NEET ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. 10 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ then how much? 40 marks. They giving only CT pattern. When we will, they will give you. Later you will get it. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ they are giving only CT pattern. Okay. Mother has written, ma'am, while I was doing error analysis, it showed that and another option that I have chosen and some answers were wrong also, ma'am. I didn't understand what you said. Rukaya smiling. Okay, ma'am. Abhigna, yes, ma'am. First seating ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀಟ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Nothing is wrong, ma'am. What is the efficiency of heart? I will send the answer script now. Answer thing I will send you. $20-40% hangandre ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ. Okay, anyway, listen. One thing you got no idea now how it is simple, na? Test will be simple. And somebody was asking me, madam, it is neither there in your notes nor there in the book what to do. Somebody was asking. Listen, I am preparing you for any examination. Don't expect the same question from the transcend only you will be getting. You may get that also, or you may get some other questions also connected to that chapter. Okay, don't you read other books also. If at all you are really preparing for NEET, don't think that I give A, B, C, D till Z. You should also study. Any book you have, you study that also, extra things. And ask me the questions in between. You are feeling ayyo for that, huh? Howda? Sorry, it's okay. Oxygen. Fick method. That is the spirometry analysis. I don't know, some of the books you can refer, like Dinesh, like Bosco. Any book you refer, ma, with more concepts you read. NCERT concept ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And good concepts are there in MTG also. MTG is good book. Okay, let's now continue. Respiration I want to start with. Okay, good one. So let us talk about the respiration. Last class I gave you the introduction to respiration. Complete respiration introduction I given you. Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. And I told you there are 3 steps in respiration. Do you remember? 3 steps involved in respiration. Do you remember? What are those steps? Steps of on respiration. Name the steps in respiration. Glycolysis. Second one. How many times glycolysis? Second one. Krebs cycle. Third one, electron transport system. Good. 3 steps are involved in it. Glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transport system. I'll give you today all these steps. Electron transport system. Okay. Let's now talk about first unit, first step in respiration, that is glycolysis. So what is this? Is a first step where glucose in the cell start breaking down, because overall respiration is breaking down or oxidation of glucose into carbon dioxide and water, releasing a lot of energy. So ultimately you should have carbon dioxide, water released along with the energy. This is respiration. Now what is the first step? Is first half of that is broken down. So what are the steps in glycolysis? This was given by scientists, 3 scientists, Embden, Meyerhoff, and Perenaz. So we call this also as the Embden-Meyerhoff-Perenaz pathway, or simply we call it as EMP pathway. Embden, Meyerhoff, and Perenaz, EMP pathway. Glycolysis is called EMP pathway. Okay, let's begin with this. What happens is first is glucose. In every cell, glucose will start burning. But initially, all these respiration reactions, you should have a lot of energy released. But initially, to break also, it requires energy. Therefore, in the first step, it will take up some ATPs, convert them into ADP, and the glucose becomes glucose 6-phosphate. And this is the first reaction, we call it a phosphorylation reaction because ATP is utilized. Now glucose 6-phosphate converts to fructose 6-phosphate. The phosphate. So these are isomers of each other. Therefore, second reaction is isomerization. Then again, fructose 6-phosphate takes up an ATP, converting it into ADP, and forms fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Always you make one square over that. This is a third reaction, again phosphorylation reaction, because ATP is taken into the reaction. Now fructose 1,6-diphosphate will split into 2 molecules of 3 carbon, phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. If you consider the 2 molecules of 3 carbon, 2 molecules of 3 carbon that are isomers of each other. Therefore, the fourth reaction is splitting, fifth reaction is isomerism. Okay? And you are observing that these reactions are resembling something. What are the reactions resembling? Can you tell me? These reactions are resembling what? Yes, they are resembling C3 cycle. Right? That is Calvin cycle. Therefore, we call Calvin cycle as glycolytic reversal. Okay? Remember, this is not called as Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle is called as a glycolytic reversal. Write that there. Calvin cycle hತ್ರ glycolytic reversal ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಬರದ್ರಾ C3 cycle glycolytic reversal ಅಂತ ಬರದ್ರಾ ಇದಕ್ಕನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಗ್ಲೈಕಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ವಿನ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಗ್ಲೈಕಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ okay next so one of the compound PGA I will take it here you should write it in the long flow chart like I don't have space here you can make out so I'm writing here you need not to take it here again I am showing it because there is no space one PGAL I'm going to continue down you would write like this 2 molecules of 3 carbon PGAL is formed this PGAL this will get or it will release it form DHAP no PGAL form 1,3-DPGA by getting an inorganic phosphate along with the it will convert one of the NAD into NADH2 nicotinamide adenine dihydrogen nucleotide now phosphate NAD to NADH2 so hydrogen is released and will be in this NADH2 okay the compound resultant is 1,3-DPGA 2 molecules of 3 carbon this is 1 and 3 first carbon third carbon has one phosphate group 1,3-DPGA okay now this will lose its phosphate to ATP so initially it has used ATPs now it is creating 2 molecules no so it use 2 molecules of ADP and use it to form ATP. 2 molecules of ATP are formed. Always you have to account this. Where the money gone, where from where it has come, you should know. And the resultant compound is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Because one phosphate is gone, no? That is 2 molecules of 3 carbon. One phosphate is gone in the form of ATP. Means 2 molecules are converted to ATP. 3-PGA converts to 2-PGA. 2-PGA is just a shifting of a phosphate group. 3-PGA ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ phosphate group ಇಲ್ಲಿ third carbon ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದು 3-PGA. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು second carbon ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2-PGA ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay? Observe properly. Again, don't ask me this. 2 molecules of 3 carbon. So the reactions, 5th, 6th reaction is ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು dehydrogenation. 7th reaction is phosphorylation. 8th reaction is called the mutation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ second carbon ಬಂದಿದೆ third carbon the phosphate group ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು mutation. Now 2-PGA gets one group, we call it as enol group, right? And it loses water molecule. And the remaining, the whatever compound formed is called phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate, 2 molecules of 3 carbon, PEP. PEP we used to call earlier, PEP. Okay. Now this phosphoenol pyruvate loses the enol group which it has taken and forms another ATP, ADP. 2 molecules of ADP converts to 2 molecules of ATP to form pyruvic acid. 2 molecules of 3 carbon. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Let me slightly down this. Okay. Pyruvic acid ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು ಕಾಣಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು pyruvic acid. Okay. So P pyruvic acid compound ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So 8th reaction is mutation. 9th reaction is enolation. Enol is added, it's called enolation. But 10th reaction, enol is removed. You can call de-enolation, but we call it as a phosphorylation because for us ATP is important, so we call it as phosphorylation. So this is glycolysis. 2 molecules of pyruvic acid are formed. NADP or NAD will be there in the cytoplasm. Board is not blur. My Amidon Maroff is seen, no Sharif. Amidon Maroff clear ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ because of this light ink ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay, NADP ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ big na, it is NAD converting into NADH. They are there. Nicotinamide N and dinucleotide will be there in the cytoplasm. Everybody is feeling board is blur, full board is blur. Sharith, can you see glycolysis clearly? Blur ಅಲ್ಲ glycolysis clear ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? No ma'am, clear ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's clear ಅಂತನಾ? Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ dull ಆಗಿದೆ, ink dull ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. But I told all the details. Okay. So how you are going to remember this ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Remember first in every cell glucose start burning. Plus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ glucose? First reaction phosphorylation. It will take up one ATP and form glucose 6-phosphate. That's called the phosphorylation reaction. Second reaction is glucose 6-phosphate comes to fructose 6-phosphate by the reaction isomerization. Third reaction is mattೊಂದು ATP utilize ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಏನೋ observe ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Third reaction is phosphorylation. Again ATP is used, ADP is formed and that phosphate enters the reaction because fructose 1,6. The first 6-phosphate is the 1,6 on first carbon and 6 carbon is the phosphate group. Fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Then it will split in the 4th reaction into PGAL and DHAP. Now these two are isomers. That's the 5th reaction, isomerism. Next phosphoglyceraldehyde. You have to continue down. Phosphoglyceraldehyde first takes up an inorganic phosphate. Can you make out? Inorganic phosphate has taken. And aldehyde converted into acid is removal of hydrogen. It will be there in the cytoplasm. NAD takes up the hydrogen from NADH2. Okay. NADH2 energy actually, because it is taking energy also in that. Then because inorganic phosphate is entered, two phosphates are become, it becomes 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. 1,3-DPGA converts 3-PGA by using another phosphate in the form of ATP. See, there two are used, till two are created. Observe this. Ella is the energy, there will be again recreation of energy. Amele 3-PGA converts to PGA by shifting up of the phosphate group. Then enol is added, water is removed in the seventh reaction. We call it enolation, or we call the dehydration also. There phosphoenol pyruvate is formed. Phosphoenol pyruvate loses the enol group and forms other two ATPs from pyruvic acid, two molecules. Therefore, two were used there, four were produced. Total output, net output is out of four, two are used. So only two are left. Two is the output of ATPs. So always in every reaction, you keep counting the ATPs. Did you get it? Right heading, glycolysis. It is the first step in the oxidation of glucose. Okay, listen, one more thing. Glycolysis is happening in the cytoplasm, not in the mitochondria. It is not happening in mitochondria, therefore it is found in both aerobic organisms and anaerobic organisms. It's common. Okay, write down glycolysis. It is the first step in glucose oxidation. It was discovered by three scientists. Write their names. Emmerden, Meyerhoff, and Paranas. Therefore, it is also called EMP pathway. EMP pathway. Okay, write the reaction. Full one page to reaction. Write the reaction over here. Finished writing? ಬೋತ ಚನ್ನಬಸಪ್ಪ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಬೋತ್ ಅಂತೆ. Are they two different reactions? When I told you, where were you? ಏನ್ both the reactions? ಅಯ್ಯ ನಿನ್ನ. Wow, what a funny thing, yeah. Listen, all of you. He is asking me whether to write both the reactions or only first one ante. Can you understand? Can you believe him? You are there from the beginning, no? When I was explaining Chanbasappa. What is that funny thing you are asking me? Others tell me, are there two different reactions? Yes, they are not two reactions. It's only one reaction. You are not confusing. You are not here only mentally. Somewhere you will be there. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೋಡುವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀನ್ ಬರೀದಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. Can you tell that reaction of enol? Ninth reaction ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, enol ಬಂದು ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. enol ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ PGA ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಇನಾಲ್ ಪೈರುವೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's called enolation reaction. Enol is called as a prosthetic group. It will improve the rate of reaction. So what I told you, where it exactly happens? Cytoplasm. So if it happens in cytoplasm, it is common for two organisms. What are those two organisms? Aerobic and anaerobic organisms. Yes, very good. What is the total output of ATP in this reaction? Yes, totally how many ATPs? 2 ATPs. Net is 2. How many are involved in the reaction? How many taken into the reaction? No, 2 are taken up, not 4. Alone ATP, alone ATP. 2 are taken in. Production only 2 ATPs here, 2 ATPs here, last reaction. So totally 4 are produced. 2 are taken in. 4 minus 2, 2 is the net output. Okay? Write down. Glycolysis is the first reaction where glucose converts to pyruvic acid. Where glucose converts to 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Two molecules of pyruvic acid. Because it occurs in cytoplasm or cytosol. Because it occurs in cytoplasm or cytosol. Cytosol. It is common in both aerobes and anaerobes. It is common in both aerobes and anaerobes. What spelling? What spelling you want? Sujal, which spelling? Cytosol. Brazil, this all. CYTOSOL, cytosol. It's common in both aerobes and anaerobes. Okay. Reactions in glycolysis. Side reading. Reactions in glycolysis. What's the first reaction? Phosphorylation. Very good. Write down. Phosphorylation. It is the first reaction in which glucose takes up a phosphate from ATP phosphate from ATP and convert to glucose 6-phosphate. Okay, next, right? Second reaction. What is the second reaction? Isomerization. Write down isomerization. Glucose 6-phosphate converts to its isomer fructose 6-phosphate. In isomerization reaction. Glucose 6 converts to its isomer fructose 6-phosphate in an isomerization reaction. I repeated, Anjan. Next. Okay, listen, one more thing I'll tell you here. At this time, it is actually coming for NEET. Whenever you're writing, you can even mention the name of enzymes, right? This is the reaction I'm giving you. Enzymes also, if you want, you can write, right? So how do you name enzymes? Is you have to add the enzyme at the end, ASES. That is suffix you have to add at the end of the enzymes. How you write the enzymes is based on the type of reaction and what is the substrate. Okay. Now you can say glucose is undergoing phosphorylation and it is converting to glucose 6-phosphate. Okay. And any enzyme that helps in phosphorylation reaction is called as a kinase enzyme. Right? Kinase is the enzyme that is named for phosphorylation reaction, that catalyzes phosphorylation reaction. And here glucose is a hexose sugar. Hexose is having 6 carbon. Therefore, we call this enzyme as hexokinase enzyme. Hexokinase enzyme. If you have any other colored pen, you write somewhere in between reaction छोटा छोटा अक्षर में write this is the enzyme. Different color you use because this is only for the NEET and KVPY or any other higher examination. You should know the enzymes only for the higher examinations. But let me be clear now only so that later I may not get time to again explain, take the whole reaction and again explain the enzyme. So I'm giving you now only how to write the enzyme. So kinases are the enzyme that help in the conversion or that help in phosphorylation reaction. And what you have to do, take the name of the substrate because glucose, no, glucose is a hexo sugar. It's called a hexokinase or we can also call it as glucokinase. Glucokinase is nothing but glucose. Hexo ಅಂದ್ರೆ hexo sugar ಇಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ hexokinase ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐಸೋಮರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ 6 ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸ್ 6 ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಐಸೋಮರೈಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ enzyme is called isomerase ASE I told you ಐಸೋಮರೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ASE ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಐಸೋಮರೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಐಸೋಮರೇಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಹೆಕ್ಸೋಸ್ isomerase enzyme. Okay, don't write in the same reaction. If you want some other dull color things and all, you take and write there, they are the enzymes, right? ಮೂರನೇದು again phosphorylation reaction. ATP ತಗೊಂಡು ADP convert ಮಾಡಿದೆ from fructose, so we call it as a fructokinase. Enzyme is kinase, fructose ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ fructokinase ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇದು splitting reaction. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಡೋಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಡೋಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಐದನೇ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಐಸೋಮರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದು 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಹೆಸರು ಟ್ರಯೋಸ್ ಐಸೋಮರೇಸ್ Understand, it is only for the higher studies, not for everything. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಆರನೇ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನೇಷನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಗ್ಲಿಸರಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ reaction is dehydrogenation, so we should write as phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1,3-DPG ಇಂದ 3PG ಆಗುವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ATP ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋರೈಲೇಷನ್ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕೈನೇಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೈಫಾಸ್ಫೋಗ್ಲಿಸರಿಕ್ ಕೈನೇಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ 3PG 2PG ಆಗುವಾಗ only phosphate group has shifted from third to carbon. This is a mutation reaction because the mutase phosphoglyceric mutase enzyme enol is added enolation enzyme is phosphoglyceric enolase then the phosphorylation enzyme is kinase phosphoenol pyruvic kinase is the enzyme. Do you understand how to name them? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಇನಾಲ್ ಪೈರುವಿಕ್ ಕೈನೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಡು ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹೈಯರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸರಿನಾ ರೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟನೇದು ಎರಡನೇ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಐಸೋಮರೈಸೇಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ or third reaction last line is pyruvic acid ಅಷ್ಟೇ I told you you can't see therefore I am saying it is pyruvic acid 2 molecules of 3 carbon ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ sixth reaction sixth reaction ಏನಾಗಿದೆ phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ dehydrogenase So you are saying this one, what is written? Enol is coming out. ADP is taking forming ATP, ADP to ATP. Then pyruvic acid, last one is pyruvic acid. Done, Rukaya? Rukaya understood? Fifth reaction. Fifth is this reaction. It is isomerization reaction. Both are 3 carbon compounds, so they are called the triose isomerase enzyme. Triose isomerase. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ನನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾನ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. Just shifting the camera down. Now is it clear? Rukia, can you see the enzyme also? I just shifted my camera down a bit. Okay. If you want, you write the enzymes at the end. Or if you want, now only you write all the enzymes in different color. Color pens you have with you. Did you write the enzymes all sides? 8th reaction enzyme, 6th enzyme, 7th enzyme. Did you write in the different color? No color pen andre ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. No color pen andre I really wonder how can you see all these things here. Color pen ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ನೆಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನು? Aldolase enzyme, fourth reaction, aldolase, ALDOLASE. Reaction is splitting, enzyme is aldolase. 7th enzyme bardra. 6th gottaitalva, phosphoglycerol dehydrogenase. 7th enzyme is diphosphoglyceric kinase. 8th enzyme is triose mutase, that is phosphoglyceric mutase. 8th reaction. 9th reaction is phosphoglyceric enolase. Last one is phosphorylation. Enzyme is PEP kinase. PEP kinase is phosphoenol pyruvic kinase anta. Tenth reaction enzyme ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ. Ranjan Shetty, you tell me what's the 10th reaction. Something you should tell, no? Create and tell me, let me see. All I told, no, even that I told. PEP kinase, phosphoenol pyruvic kinase. Kinase I told, no, kinase is for phosphorylation. Substrate is phosphoenol. Good, Sujal. PEP kinase. Good. ಎಂಜೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ನೀಟ್ಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Write down. Reactions continue order. Next reaction complete material new explanation alle. Some explanation I have given now. Second reaction. Second is done. Okay, next right enzyme ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ next third reaction ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What's the third reaction? What is the third reaction? Phosphorylation, right? Huh? Phosphorylation. Fructose 6-phosphate uses another ATP and form fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Another ATP and form fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Next, what is the reaction? Fourth reaction, yado? Splitting, right on, good. Fructose 1,6-diphosphate, a 6-carbon compound. Fructose 1,6-diphosphate, a 6-carbon compound, splits into 2 molecules of 3 carbon. Splits into 2 molecules of 3 carbon. What are the 2 compounds? What are the 2 molecules of 3 carbon? PGAL and DHAP, correct. What is PGAL, DHAP? You know, long forms. If you don't know, you write it. If you remember, you write it. What is PGAL? What is DHAP? Phosphoglyceraldehyde. Phosphoglyceraldehyde is correct. Aldehyde. Next, DHAP andreno. What is DHAP? DHAP andre dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Already I have told you this. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP. Done. Next, fifth reaction is isomerization. PGAL and DHAP undergo isomerization reactions. Okay, undergo isomerization reaction. PGL DHAP undergo isomerization reaction. Next, right? Reaction number 6. What's the reaction to be called? No hydrogenation, it's dehydrogenation. Okay, dehydrogenation. Write down. PGAL loses hydrogen to NAD loses hydrogen to NAD, comma, accepts an inorganic phosphate. ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. ನೀವೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀವು. Accepts an inorganic phosphate PGL loses the hydrogen to NAD, comma, accepts inorganic phosphate to form 1,3-DPGA. Bardra, form 1,3-DPGA. Form 1,3-DPGA. In this reaction, NAD converts to NADH2. Baradra. Next, seventh reaction. I'm sorry. Next, seventh reaction. What's the reaction? Phosphorylation. Right now. Right down. Can you write the reaction? Let me see. You write it. At least let me know how much you are able to write this. Phosphorylation, how you write the reaction? Yes. 1,3 DPJ currents, 3 PJ and no, 2 molecules of ATP. Okay, listen, I will give you. Good, you are writing correctly. All of you are writing correctly. But listen, I will write it. I will tell you correctly what to write. Then one next phosphorylation. 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. One 3-diphosphoglyceric acid produce an ATP and convert to 3-PGA. Is it right? 1,3-DPGA forms an ATP and converts to 3-PGA in a phosphorylation reaction. Two molecules because it's understood. Two molecules antane baribodu. Two molecules of DPGA because it is understood from PGA and two molecules. Okay, next write eighth reaction. What's the eighth reaction? Mutation, good. Write down. Mutation. Three PGA converts to two PGA. Converts to two PGA by the shifting up of phosphate group. By the shifting up of phosphate group from third carbon to second carbon. Shifting, in which the phosphate group shifts from third carbon to second carbon. And then what is 3 PGA, 2 PGA difference? I told you how the shift third carbon 3 PGA becomes 2 PGA. Did I tell you? Shifting up of phosphate group from third carbon to second carbon. I showed it, na? Fine, fine. No, ma'am, and then no, ma'am, Sujata. I was expecting you will say no, ma'am. I showed it. Abhigna is saying, others are saying, and how come you are saying no? I showed how it shifts. Shifting and the movement from in the one kade in the functional group in kade hogodike because of mutation here. Third carbon to second carbon. Okay, done. I told no again and again why I should do it. Usually it's very much irritating for me. I told then also you will again tell me that I have not told you. Therefore I am showing you and ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 3 PGA ಇದು ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 2 PGA ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ Yeah, I showed it. Forgotten already. Okay, next. What's the next reaction? Very good. Inhalation or dehydration. Very good. Good, Naya. All are so intelligent. See, all are writing so well. This is what is required, ma. See, it's not that I cannot dictate. I want you to answer so that you will become so independent in writing reactions. Students must be see, madam, see how clearly you are understanding and writing it. That's very beautiful. So this is what is required in any time. Whenever I talk glycolysis, you will write tuck, tuck, you will write. Okay, good ma. Good, Sujal, Nia, everybody. You are all very intelligent. So you are able to understand. That is enough, no? What else is required? Ninth reaction. Bardra, inhalation. 2-PGA accepts an enol group. Accepts an enol group. Enol group. Enol group. Accepts an enol group, loses water molecule. Loses water molecule and produce phosphoenol pyruvate. Sir, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಕೂತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. He came later and he is writing whether to write both sides the reactions or only one reaction. I told all others, I told just now that it is a continuation of same reaction. You are coming now and asking me. You should be there from the beginning as well. Okay, what you have written? Phosphoenol pyruvate. What is the reaction? Inhalation you have written. Enol is accepted, water is lost, and produce phosphoenol pyruvate. PP. Written. Next, what is the reaction? What's the next reaction? Phosphorylation or de-enolation. Very good, yeah. De-enolation or phosphorylation. Good, good, Abhigna. Fine, right on. Phosphoenol pyruvate, PEP, loses the enol group. Loses the enol group, produce another ATP, and produce, what is the end product? produce pyruvic acid. Good, very good. Pyruvic acid. Done? Pyruvic spelling nodama Neha. Pyruvic acid. Varadra? So what are the outputs of glycolysis now? What are the outputs of glycolysis? Can you tell me? How many ATPs, dear? Abhigna? 2 ATPs. Net is 2 ATPs. 2 pyruvic acid and 2 NADH2. There I have written, no, here I have to write 2. NADH2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 pyruvic acid 2 PGA ಅಲ್ವಾ 2 NAD2 2 NADH2 so 2 NADH2 2 plus 2 4 ATPs minus 2 ATPs is 2 ATP then 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. This is the end product of glycolysis. Okay, write down end products of glycolysis. End products of glycolysis. How much? 2 ATP. Second point, 2 NADH2. Third point, 2 pyruvic acid. Good, good. Listen, all of you, I'll tell you something. All of you, I'll tell you something, including Channavasappa, you also listen. Whenever I'm explaining, if you listen thoroughly, then no issues. What happens somewhere if you are missed? And suppose you are asking again, even you can see that Sujal is asking, I am scolding him also. It's normal. You don't expect everything I will be telling you in a smooth way. I have explained you already. All of you I'm telling. Channavasappa, don't get offended. All of you I'm saying, I'm explaining the whole story. Okay? Now you all tell me, whatever may be, whatever I'm doing, maybe in a raised voice or a smooth voice I'm explaining. Are you not in a position to write things independently? Whenever you write the test, don't you feel that it is so easy for you? Yes, tell me. Yes. Okay. So now you tell me, making you either scolding or happily or in a other way, if I am telling you that, how is it benefiting? Is it not benefiting you? Because when I'm teaching, I will have to be sometimes strict. Sometimes you people asking me again and again, I will have to be strict and say that, don't do that. Right? And if you feel that this is not correct, because always the teaching is, no, you need not appreciate me. I'm just telling you, instead of complaining, you just think that how easy I'm making the subject. All of you tell me clearly, simply, because I don't want you to be simply appreciating me. Just think that, see, within no time you have learned the whole cycle. Now you can write it, right? Why? Because I wanted you to understand it properly, right? So if I talk to you in that fashion, also it is for your benefit only, right? Therefore, see, I want you to be honest and accept. If you have done mistake, accept. I have done mistake, I will accept. Let us be clear. Okay? Let us be open. Okay? Let's be transparent, man. We will not have to put things blame on others. If I have done mistake, I will accept. I was reducing my speed, right? You are saying that, madam, please be slow. I did it. Did I not do it? Yeah, I am slow now. I am explaining you. And if somewhere I say this is not correct, you people are not doing well, you have to do it once again, improve. It's all for your sake only. Okay? So what I'm telling you is you have to be also accepting what is mistake from your side. And my thing, you are saying I am correcting. Okay? So all of you, this is my request for you to be present in every class and understanding everything. Then, yeah, you have to be independent. See, now you can write the reactions on your own. Otherwise, I could have explained to ABCD like a textbook and you would have to by heart that. Now you are getting independently, you are understanding independently. You can all see others' comments also. Okay, all of you can see the comments. By everybody, you can see the comments. If you have negativity, you can tell me, right? Don't be thinking that I'm scolding somebody simply for no reason, right? I'll never do that, and always this is the truth thing, right? And all my students who have learned all these years, they are in a very good position. Why I am doing that? Either hook or crook, I will make you understand and write on your own, right? All of you should react to me, right? Tell me if there is something wrong, right? All of you tell me. Let me see. 77 members you are writing their opinion. Let me see, because I don't want anything else behind me. Tell me on my face. All 77 members should tell me now. Yes, let me see. Sujal, Abhigna, clear. Nothing wrong. Fine. No, if at all it is there, you tell me that thing. I don't mind. Nothing to say, man. Are you able to follow? That's it. Because later you say like this, and suddenly one day you will say that, oh, yo, madam, nang bhai betro, she is like this, rude and all, right? So why I should be like that? Only because I want you to understand it. Man, on Sati, by then next time will be alert in answering. Yes. Chanvasappa, you tell it to sir. Not me. You tell it to sir that, sir, it happened like this. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ. I don't want it to be big one because I think you will have to understand it. ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? I am increasing the discussion of NEET ma. NEET only. See, today also I told on NEET part anta in ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ತಾನೆ ನಾನು. Chanbasappa, you tell sir also that, sir, this is what it went wrong. Because from the beginning I was explaining them. The whole thing is single reaction. After the way, if at all you think that is two different reactions, it is wrong. Well, I feel bad. Okay, Chanbasappa. Very easy, Chanbasappa. That's okay. Internet problem idru nanu ಒಂದು 5-6 times ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಚನ್ನಬಸಪ್ಪ. That is fine. Internet problem ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಿನಗೊಬ್ಬನಿಗಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But still what happens is, if you be clear from the beginning till the end, what happens, somewhere one day line miss ಆದ್ರೂ okay. But what I'm telling is, put your brain properly. Okay, internet problem irutte. Ninge hurt agide, I'm really sorry for that. But I am telling you, while dictating, you get little fast. Okay, I'll get little slow. Actually, Rukaya, I want you to write the notes because I explained, no? So once you start writing, it'll be easy for you. So once atara admele, once I am starting explaining you, you start writing. Okay. That's okay. You should tell me to raise the volume, man. That's okay. All 70 members have to react now. Chanbasappa, if it is internet problem, I am not minding. But the thing is, what I say, you concentrate and listen. That's all is my thing. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, yeah, if you ask, I will do, no, Tanushri. Some words, if you ask, did I not explain you that? Yes, I do. Okay, no issues. Other things, they will write, no, all 70 members are there, they are writing. Is it okay, Chanbasappa? First you tell me whether did you understand first. Other things you leave. Arguing and all you leave it. Did you understand it? On your video, let me see. Let me check what you really feel. Let me see you. Chanbasappa, it is not the question that I make you, not only you, anybody, simply if they come in between, I will ask you that like this. Okay. So don't worry about this. I am making you independent in your subject. You can even observe writing test in biology so getting so simple for you, right? And all those students who got scoldings and all, for me, they have gone somewhere top at their levels in their life. Okay, don't think because I want to scold you. No, I talk to everybody in the same fashion. Okay, be there into the class from beginning till the end. So what happens is somewhere if it gone also, madam, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ internet ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Done. So don't take it to heart and tell sir also it's okay sir ಅಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Okay, okay, do, you are a good boy, you are understanding. Okay, bye then, thank you. Okay, fine dear. So there's nothing for each person. I will not act somebody only. Every person I will not comment on person to person. Don't take it personal. Okay. See you then. Be happy. Enjoy. Learn the subject. Okay. Bye then. See you. If you really want to send the messages to sir also that this is happened, sir. Now we are okay. Okay. Listen. Change your opinions now also. Say that it was happened, sir. But it's wrong from my side. I am correcting myself ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್. ನೋ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್.